OCO, it's the native dev here again, and today we're going to learn how we can push up the work that we've saved locally. So the good thing is this change is saved locally, but it hasn't been pushed up to the cloud where the rest of our team can see it. And there's two reasons that's bad. One is because the team can't see the changes yet, and the other part is if something happened to your computer and you lost the data on it, those changes would be gone forever. But if you push them up to the cloud, they'll be saved here. So let's go ahead and do that. And this is actually very simple. We're just going to do git push and hit return. You're going to see it's going to do a lot of work and it will be done. And I want you to remember that the only part that we saved was this right here, this empty line, and we edited this locally. How cool. This part, this empty line, and this is another change, is not saved. So even though we pushed this up, we pushed up everything that we saved. If I go ahead and refresh here, we're only going to see that second line. So if we want to make sure the rest of our team sees the third change that we made, we would have to git add all. We'd have to stage that again. Now git diff again will be empty because there's nothing locally that is changed that has not been staged. But we can see in git status that we have some modifications to the test file that are staged and ready to be saved or committed. So let's go ahead and do another commit message. And we're going to do update test file with third line. And then I'm going to do a description here. So -m for message again. Put this inside of quotes, and I'm going to say added a line that says this is another change. So something more descriptive inside the description. I'm going to hit return, and I'm going to git push that. Git push. It's going to do the work, and then if I come into here and refresh, this is all here. And so now if a team member were to log in, come look at the repo online, they'd see everything here. Now the next trick is going to be, how do you get these changes locally? Because if someone else made a change here, and let's go ahead and do that. We'll do that just here in the browser. So if I go here and I do, edit this file, a team member made this change, and then we commit this and we give this a title. So this is the same thing. I'm going to do update team member changed test file. I don't know about a team member's change, and that's fine. We'll use that as the description. So this is just the exact same thing we just did in the console, but we're doing this here in the browser. I'm going to hit commit changes. And if I refresh now, we'll see a team member made this change, but the problem is now we don't have this change here locally in our file. And so in the next video, we'll see how do we make that show up here locally, so that whenever we're making changes here, we're making sure that we're including what the team members have already changed.